who can build this Build-A-Buddy tractor the quickest? Let's find out. First up, we have Amanda. We're gonna time you to see how long it takes, and we're gonna leave this little grid up so you can see how it goes together. All right, let's start the timer. Ready? Go. Done. How long was that?
47, 49.
Putting my game plan together here.
All right, next up we have Jones. On your mark, get set, go. Done. 57.
Two.
Next up we have Amanda, number 2. Ready? Go. She was fast. I think she's done this before.
My son has this one.
He does? What's the time?
34, 45, 46, 47,
47.
48, 50.
48.50. Okay, next up we have Ross. 3, 2, 1, go. Done?
Serious business.
39.
39. Nice.